Hello everyone, this is Praful Agrawal from Informatica Global Customer Support, and today we are going to discuss about how to configure and use ISDFS and IBLine to connect to the cluster from DIS machine. So agenda for this video is why do we need to test the Hive and SDFS connection from DIS machine, how to perform these tests, and the demo. So why do we need it? There are mainly two reasons why we need and when we need to have an ISDFS and IBLine Hive IBLine file in our DIS machine. When due to any security reasons or any other specific reasons, we don't have access to the Hadoop environment directly. And also when we need to check the connectivity to the cluster without being into the Hadoop environment and Informatica's developer tool. We do the second task just to check whether the DIS is able to connect to the cluster or not. Because this might be the case that cluster is up, cluster is working fine, but the DIS machine is not able to connect to the cluster. So to test that scenario, we choose the second option. We use the second option. So steps taken to configure ISDFS. The first step is copy the infra.cco file from infra-home tomcat bin DIS temp location and paste it into the current working directory where we want to have isdfs.sh script, and we need to rename it to core-site.xml file. Also, what we can do is we can copy the core-site.xml file itself from the cluster and paste it in the current working directory. Then we need to create isdfs.sh file, and in that file we need to paste these two lines. The first one being the infra-home services shared Hadoop and the distribution that we are going to use, and then lib. After saving this file, we can run the command as isdfs.sh, then hyphen command, and then the directory. Same goes with the configuration of IBLine. We need to copy the infra.cco file again from the DIS temp location and paste it into the current working directory where we want to have the ibline.sh script, and then we can rename it to hivesite.xml. And also we can copy this hivesite.xml file directly from the cluster as we are going to do with the core-site.xml file. Then we need to create ibline.sh file where we need to paste these three lines. The first line being the same as the ISDFS. The second line being the Spark version also, where we have the Spark version and which Spark version we are using. We need to provide it here. And then the Java class, which is going to be used. And then we need to save the file, and then we can directly run the command as ibline./ibline.sh. Now let's come to the demo. I have these two files, ibline.sh and isdfs.sh, and you can see I had this infra.cco site.xml file, and I had renamed the infra.cco site.xml file as core site.xml and hive site.xml to use these two XMLs in ibline.sh and isdfs.sh. Now what we will when we are running isdfs and ibline, what it does is it references to this core site XML, and this references to this hive site XML. So let's see what is inside these two. This is the environment variable I have set in IBline file. This is same, and I am using CDS 5.13, so I have given that, and I am using this libspark, so I have given that too. And in ISDFS, I have set CDS 7.1 as my Hadoop environment, and the class is same. Now if I run i./isdfs.sh, and then I need to give some command, like if I want to see the directories, if I want to list the directories, then directories and file, then I will, oh sorry, one second. Then I'll be giving this, and this shows all the directories and files which are there in my this core site XML referenced cluster. So my cluster is this is my cluster, Angelus BTN 07. This is my name node of the cluster. So this shows all the files and directories inside this cluster. And if I run ibline, sorry, i./ibline.sh, then it will ask me to connect to a cluster. For that, I will pass the command jdbc, sorry, jdbc -2 nglxpdm06.informatica.com as default. Yes, it is connected. It is asking for the username. I am giving as Kumari, and the password is this. Now it is connected. Now if I run show tables, then it will show all the tables in the cluster, in the cluster, yeah. And I can run any other commands, like if I want to see what is inside this table, then select star from this is empty. Here it is. So I can run any command now from my DIS machine itself. This is my DIS machine, and the cluster is here. This is my cluster, INGLS BDM 05, 06, and 07. This is a multi-node setup cluster. So this is it. Thank you guys. I hope you found it interesting. Thank you very much. So this is it. We can learn more about iHive, iBeeline, ISDFS, etc. from this location, from this article. We would love to hear from you. Please give us some feedback on support videos at informatica.com and on our Twitter handle, InfaSupport. Thank you and have a great day.